How to see messages delivered on iPhone Messenger. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Open any chat from here. Type in any message and tap on the arrow button to send the message. If you see sent below the last message, this means that the person might be offline and has yet not received the message. If you see delivered below your last message in this chat, it means that the message has been sent from Facebook servers to the recipient's device and they've received a notification. But they are yet to see it. If you see a small version of their profile picture appear below the message, then this means that the recipient has opened and read the message. Following these steps, you can easily see messages delivered on iPhone Messenger.